Okay, we've got some great art here at the Poetry Playhouse studio. You can see we've got cards and a lot of photo frames and collage art and some things this is Jules that I did specifically for the pandemic, and also just things with flowers and different things with books. We have quotes from Appetites. We also have things from, this is Sober Poems. So we are really having a lot of really fun art, and we're getting ready. You do have to wear your mask inside, of course. We're getting ready to set up. We've got a lot of the Poetry Playhouse publications, books out here. We've got, of course, Jules' books, John's books, and we want to make sure everything is safe. We also have a lot of the Atomic Paradise going on. So we really hope you can join us. So come this way for the Poetry Playhouse Studio Tour. You can also get a mask, and we will see you soon.